The grievances of the taxi operators at the airport. I believe they are very important ambassadors for the sake of growth of tourism in Goa. When tourism is the mainstay of tourism in Goa, naturally they are very important players and stakeholders. Sometimes there is an effort to keep them apart and take decisions, which I will never allow. They are very important stakeholders and they know this government respects their opinion. Now, having said that, there are only two problems they are facing. One is about they getting the counter in their name or they getting the independent counter. Already action has been initiated by me. I want to hold a meeting with the Honorable Chief Minister, call all the other officials from other department, including the airport director, and solve it once for all. I will take an appointment very shortly. The second problem is as regards the counter which has come up, car rental. I have pointed out to airport director several times that this is not allowed, this is illegal. I had also prevailed upon the transport department not to issue any license, not to see that it is non-operational, and that's how it is non-operational. But we have to take a final call and stop the whole thing. In the past, when there was a STC counter, I had taken the initiative and we had stopped it. So similar effort is going to be made now. But nevertheless, it is for the Honorable Chief Minister of Goa, Mr. Manohar Parrikar, to take a call. I am taking an appointment with him. I have discussed the matter yesterday late evening, and that's why I am able to say this. Now I will fix time and we will resolve the issue. So there won't be any issue.
एक महिना पुलिस में जाना असतलें एक इलिगल काउंटर येयल्लो म्हणून. सो सरकार आमची मागणी केल्ली की तो काउंटर बंद जावचो म्हणून. सो आयज सरकारान जे पाऊल मारलेलें आहा हेच्या पयलीं एक असो इलिगल काउंटर आसा ह्या सरकारान बंद केल्लो. तर आमकां सरकार विश्वास आसा की हो काउंटर बंद जातलो आनी आज स्थानीक आमदार तो सदांच या बारीक लोकां खातीर तो गोंयांत बसण्याचें नांव आसा सतत बारीक लोकां खातीर मुखार सरून तो काम करतात. आज तेणी म्हाका दिसता आमचे टॅक्सी कार भाव जे आसा सगळे बारीक लोक आहे हेच्या मुखार तेणी आमकां विश्वास आश्वासन दिल्लें आसा की आपूण तो इलिगल जो काउंटर आसा आपूण डेफिनेटली आपूण तो बंद करतलो.